So I have been getting messages from students indicating that they're having a tough time accessing Google Meet. So in this video, I will go over the various steps you need to take in order to properly access Google Meet with your Hillview teachers. Now it's important to note that you cannot simply go to the Google Meet website or search up Google Meet to go to the meetings with your teachers. In order to get to the meetings, you have to use the district Google account. And you can do that in one of two ways. You can either go to your district Google Drive, the West Side Google Drive. You'll find the waffle, click on it, and then go to the Google Meet icon. The other way you can access it is by going to Google Classroom. Again, finding the waffle, click on it, and click on Google Meet. Prior to our virtual meeting, there are three things that I want you to take care of. One of them being reviewing the rules for virtual meetings. Please read through those carefully prior to our Google Meet. The other thing you'll note is that I've provided an access code. Now this access code is strictly for this video. We are not going to use HV Demo 1 for any of our Google Meets. It's just for this video. However, you will note in your post that there's an access code. And again, you'll either go to Google Drive or you can stay in Google Classroom, click on the waffle, and go to Google Meet. Once you're in Google Meet, you'll want to click the plus sign. And I'm going to type in the access code. Again, HV Demo 1 is strictly for the purposes of this video. And you can see over here, this is my district icon. If you are in here any other way than through the district Google account, you will be denied access to Google Meet. All right, so now that I've properly typed in the access code, I can click Continue, and it launches you into Google Meet. And right off the bat, you'll see yourself. This is kind of a waiting room, and you shouldn't be joining any of the Google Meets until your teacher is there. Once you are ready to join the Google Meet, you'll click here where it says Join Now, and you officially will join the Google Meet. Now I want to go over a few of the features provided in the Google Meet. And the first one is the microphone. Down here at the bottom of your screen, you'll see the microphone icon. Currently my microphone is turned on, and during our meetings, it will always stay on because I'm the teacher. As the student, however, you need to have your microphone off. And so to do that, again, just go to the icon and click on it. Now you see my microphone is off. The reason why you want to have the microphone off throughout the meeting is for two different reasons. Firstly, when your microphone is on, it picks up background noise and it disrupts our Google Meet because it mutes out other students. The other reason is that Google Meets will run just like the normal classroom in that you're not going to speak out of turn, you're not going to call things out, you're not going to just say random things, you're going to wait your turn to talk. And then once your teacher or I have called on you, you'll go ahead and unmute yourself by clicking on the microphone again. You can ask your question, you can contribute to the conversation in some way, and then when you're done talking, you will go to the microphone and you will turn it back off. The next thing I want to go over is the camera. Throughout the meeting, please leave your camera on. This is a virtual meeting and we want to see your face. Doesn't matter if your hair is a mess or you don't have makeup on, we want to see your face. It is appropriate that you dress in clothes that are covering, that are not revealing, basically just the Hillview expectations for your clothing. Make sure you're dressed appropriately. If I click on the camera, it turns it off and you no longer see my face. Make sure that you leave the camera on. Another feature in Google Meet is the chat option, and it's here over to the side. Normally, if there were more of us in this conversation, you'd see faces and names off to the right. But there is a chat option, and this chat option is not for you and your friends to have side conversations during our Google Meet. The reason why it's there is so that you can ask questions or add to the conversation without actually having to speak. So if you don't want to talk to the class, but you want to be able to add to the conversation, use this chat option. And all you need to do is go to the bottom down here. You can type in what is, and whatever your question is, or maybe your comment, and then you'll end up clicking the arrow that's there. Lastly, it's super important that throughout the entire conversation, not only are you dressed appropriately, but you're also speaking appropriately. Make sure that the language you use is professional. Make sure that you're staying on topic. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I look forward to seeing you guys, and email me if you have any questions.